Everybody, welcome back. Today I'm going to talk about basic English part 9. That means future indefinite tense. Before discussing this matter, and I give one advice to my learners. The advice is don't spend your time to learn unnecessary things because the time is very valuable. If you get the whole English within very short time in my channels, why? You'll learn these unnecessary things. You'll get in my channel spoken, IELTS, TOEFLs, SAT, phonetics, all kinds of academic English like O-level English, A-level English, JSC SSC HSC English, honors masters English, all kinds of job English, BCS English, admission test English, communication English, business English, freelancing English. So, Jalanas, don't spend your time to learn unnecessary things. Keep watching my YouTube channel. You will get your desired English. Let's go. Our today's main topics. There's a future indefinite tense. Active voice structure, subject, shall, will, plus be1 plus opposite. Example, I shall tell you something. Ami shall tell Bulbul tomake kichu. Passive voice structure, subject, shall be, will be3 plus by plus opposite. Example, say, you shall be told something by me. Tomake shall be told bala habe kichu amar dara. Negative structure, subject shall not, will not be 1 plus opposite. Example, I shall not tell you something. Interrogative structure, shall, will, plus subject, plus be1, plus opposite, plus question mark. Example, shall I tell you something? Negative interrogative structure, shan't, won't, subject, be1 plus opposite plus question mark. Example, shan't I tell you something? Tech is very important for the learners who want to be the expert speaker in English and want to be the smart speaker of English. So definitely they have to learn this part because it's very, very important to the learners who want to be the great speaker in English. So I shall tell you something, shan't I? Direct narration subtract space. He said to her, I shall tell you something. Indirect narration or indirect speech. He told her that he would tell her something. This is the narration rule. Shall will be should, will be would. Can I see here is a shall should only be the should here because it is he is the third person singular. That's why it will be would here. So simple sentence. I shall tell you something. Complex sentence. It will be I who shall tell you something. Compound sentence. It will be I and I shall tell you something. It's the well. Bye.